Dream of creating stunning Pixar or Disney-style animations? Now, you can bring your ideas to life without expensive hardware or complex software like 3ds Max, Maya, or Blender. With AI-powered tools, you can generate breathtaking 2D and 3D animations effortlessly in no time and at zero cost. Whether it's a promo video, game trailer, or short animation, AI has you covered. No technical skills required. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to craft powerful text prompts to create characters, actions, and backgrounds using groundbreaking AI tools like Leonardo, Sing, Pixverse, and Minimax. Let's dive in and transform your ideas into stunning animations. The first step in creating an animation is writing a good and impactful story for this purpose. I have written a template with customizable parameters that includes everything you need to create a story. You can find this template in the description of my video on my channel and simply copy it, customize it based on your preferences and needs, and give it to AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude to generate a story for you based on the template's rules. Now I simply copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT, and as you can see, ChatGPT creates the entire story based on our requirements, prompts for image creation and narration text. I copy the first prompt to create the first image. Next, we use an image generating AI such as Pyman Design, Midjourney, or others. My choice is Leonardo because it provides sufficient credits in its free plan to create images and is one of the best image generators in the world. We visit the Leonardo AI image generator website, create a free account, and log in. From the left menu, click on the image creation option in the Leonardo dashboard. You'll see a prompt box at the top of the page. I right click and paste the first image prompt copy from ChatGPT into this box. From the left panel in the preset, drop down, select the Phoenix 1.0 model, which is Leonardo's latest image generation model. In the prompt enhanced T drop down, select off in the preset style section. Choose dynamic, set the generation mode to fast for image dimensions. Since I want this video in horizontal long format for YouTube, I select a 16:9 ratio. I set the image size to medium. The number of images generated in each step is set to 4. Once all settings are done, click Generate. My request is queued, and after a very short time, the images are generated. 4 thumbnails are displayed. I click on one of the thumbnails to review the images. There might be issues in image generation, and if you are not satisfied with these images, you can change the settings and regenerate new images. I am very satisfied with this image and want to download it. The download button is below the image frame. Our animated story begins with this image. For the second scene, and again paste it into the Leonardo image prompt box with the same previous settings. I click on Generate. Again, my request is queued, and after a few seconds, new images are generated. 4 thumbnails are displayed. Before creating the next scene's image, let me tell you something. Click on the 3-dot icon at the top right corner of the images and select Copy Seed. This command copies and saves the seed number. It ensures that the character's form remains consistent for subsequent images. After this, go to the Advanced Settings in the side menu and enable the Use Fixed Seed option. Paste the copied seed number into the corresponding box. This ensures the creation of a consistent character form across scenes. Keep these tips in mind while creating images with Leonardo AI.
In the third step, the images generated by Leonardo AI are converted into videos and animations using AI called Hailuo AI. In this AI, we can convert any image into video and in high quality. On the right top corner of the website, Click on the Sign In button and then log in it with Google. After logging in, you can see the option of Create Video on the left side. Click on it. And then the new interface will appear. The first section is to select the image. Select the image which you want to convert into the video. After selecting the image, describe the image in few lines like what you want to see in your video. There is also the option of camera movements. You can select the camera movement according to your video scene and then click on the Generate button. Now your video is going to create dot. In the meantime, you can add more images to convert them into the video. And here are the final results.
Alice, full of energy, grabs a handful of grains and scatters them for the chickens. She carefully waters the fresh green plants, watching the droplets glisten in the sun.
Here it's time for you to show your support too. A vast number of exclusive AI tutorials will soon be uploaded to the channel, so subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything.